Okay, Daniela, so you've got given the 3 by 3 matrix here, and you're asked to find find K, given that the determinant of this matrix equals to 0. Okay, so we're going to use your skills in solving 3 by 3 determinants to get this one out. So remember, the first step is we're going to take the first element in the matrix, so what's in column 1, row 1. Now remember, what we do is we cross out the rest of that row and the rest of that column, and we're going to use what's left, and we're going to make the determinant of that one. So down here we're left with K times by the determinant of -3 to 2K. Okay, now let me just get rid of these. So our next step is to take what's in row 1, column 2. Okay, so the 1 here. Once again, I'm going to cross out everything that's in the same column and in the same row. And we're going to use what's left to make a determinant. Okay, so now my determinant's going to go from here. And remember, we want to go down this way. And, oh well, there's nothing over here. So I actually want to use these bits over here, but I need to move them. So I'm going to move 2K plus 1 and 0 over to here. So that means I can add on 1 times by the determinant of 2K plus 1, 2 and 0. Okay. And lastly, we've got one more to do. We are going to use the next one, but I just need to get rid of all these blue lines that are all over the place now. Okay. So, lastly in red, we're going to take the third one in the first row, and we're going to cross out, once again, what's in the same row and same column, and we're going to use what's in the determinant that's left over. So we're going to have plus 3 times by 2K plus 1, -3, 0 and K, and we've got to finish the determinant off over there. So, remember, our next step is we essentially times these two together and subtract the product of these two. Okay, so I'm going to have K -6 take 2K, and we do the same again. We're going to have plus 1 times product of these two, so 0, take 4K plus 2. Okay, so remembering to times the whole lot by 2. Now, last but not least, we get 3 times by 2K squared plus K. Okay, take away 0. Alright, so we're getting there. Now I'm just going to use black from here on in to make life a bit more straightforward. Okay, so I don't know what this one's doing. We're just going to move that out of our way. Okay, so we're left with this. So we're going to have -6K take 2K squared plus, take 4K just pick that one out. We should have some brackets around that. So take 4K, take 2 plus 6K squared plus 3K. Okay, now we want to see if we can simplify this at all. Well, we've got -2K squared and 6K squared gives me 4K squared. I've got 3K and -4K and -6K, so that's going to give me -7K, and I take 2 on the end. Okay. So to do this, okay, it's a quadratic. So remember that means we're going to use the quadratic equation. Okay. So remember, k will equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared take 4ac all on 2a. So negative b in this case is going to be positive 7 plus or minus, now negative 7 squared is 49, take 4 times by 4 times by negative 2. Okay, and that's all on 8. So let's just move all of this way up. Let's get it out of our way so we can solve this. So this is going to be 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 plus 32. So 4 fours is 16, times 2 is 32. We've got two negatives there, so they make a positive. All on 8. So we've got 7 plus or minus the square root of 81 on 8. Now, they've been very kind to you. They've given you root 81, which hopefully we are aware is 9. Okay, so it's a nice easy one. So we're going to have 7 plus or minus 9 on 8. Therefore, k can equal to 7 plus 9 on 8, or k equals to 7 take 9 on 8. So, once again, let's just move everything up, get it out of our way. Okay. So, k equals to 16 on 8, or k equals to negative 2 on 8, which means k equals to 2, or k equals to negative 1/4. I hope this helps. If you need any more help, please let me know.